As I explained in an earlier video, I have 3 grandchildren that are 25 years of age or lower, actually between 20 and 25. And I recognize that they have an opportunity in front of them to make an investment decision that will change their lives, much as I had a similar opportunity when I was 56 years old, if I would have recognized what the internet was going to do to our world and what it was going to create in the form of about 7 companies that are trillion-dollar companies, a word that we didn't even know back in 2000. But this is the AI revolution, and it's going to be bigger than the internet revolution. And I think I want to play my part in changing people's lives. And what I mean by that is if I can convince 1 million 25-year-olds to recognize what's in front of them, I'm going to make 1 million multi-millionaires over the next 25 years, because it's the same thing that happened, but it's happening again. And so what I want to do is share with them this, what is it? It's a 6-page document that Samantha, my AI agent, and I made when I went to her and said, okay, let's create a document that explains to these 25-year-olds what they need to do and what they need to recognize and how to build a portfolio that will take $7,500 a year. That's their currently eligible contribution to a Roth IRA, and turn it into something maybe as much as $5 million if history repeats itself. I honestly believe it will surpass what it did in the past. So what it is I want to share this document. There'll be a link in the description. And then I also have created a podcast that summarizes the document and explains it hopefully better than I can, or that they can draw more information from so as to change their lives. The first thing I include in the document is this page here. I've shared it with my people before. This is a history of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, NVIDIA, and Google over the last 25 years, and how their price went up and down, what their average return, which was 35%, but more importantly, what the compounded interest was, which is 28% over that 25 years. And the advantage of the Roth IRA is when the prices go up, you make money. And when they go down, your $7,500 contribution into your Roth IRA buys more shares that year, thus compounding your interest as you move forward. So I want that to be, I want the 25-year-olds to totally understand it, to come away and say, I understand it, it makes sense. Now, where do I get started? So then what I do is Samantha and I went through and said, okay, let's break this portfolio for the next 25 years into 3 parts. The core, which will represent 50 to 65% of the portfolio. The enablers, which will represent 25 to 40. And then the speculative, which will never get more than 15%. In the core, we're going to put the same stocks that got the big hits in the internet revolution, and that is Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Apple. And why is that? Because they are going to be the deliverers of the AI that is being built today. They are the ones who are going to give us access to all the knowledge in the world, which is going to change every element of the world because all the knowledge is now available. And to put that into some understanding, right now we recognize that most of the knowledge about investing in the stock market is held by Wall Street. Okay. Now, if we have access to that, that changes the world. We recognize that the knowledge of the world about the medical industry is held by the medical industry. Well, if we have access to it, that changes the perspective. If we can keep that in focus, we can understand what this revolution is going to be. And those who are 25 or 35 have the time to benefit from this change that some of us don't have. So that's why it's so important to get in. So the core is the Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Apple. Then we have the enablers, and that's NVIDIA, Broadcom, and Micron, and some other hardware elements. That will change once the thing is built. The amount of profits that the enablers make will not be as large as it is right now. Right now, the data centers are making a lot of money. So we might put some of those in our speculative part of our portfolio. Then what we have to recognize is we have to use AI to keep us up to date on a quarterly basis. If we only have about 10 stocks, we can ask our AI every quarter when their earnings report come out to go and listen to the earnings report and evaluate the stock and give us a heads up of what we should do accordingly. So our AI that we're investing in will actually help us or help them manage their portfolio as well. And they will then quarterly rebalance. If one stock's gotten out of proportion, we take our profits, we move them to the stocks where better opportunities lie. And then we track the quality and the quantity and make sure that we continue to see revenues growing and earnings growing and operating margins growing, and we'll learn through our AI agent what all these things mean. When I say we, I'm talking about the 25-year-olds, and thus we'll manage our portfolio accordingly. Now, what I then want you to see is this chart here. This is telling you if, in fact, we don't achieve the 28% growth on our Roth IRA that we put a $7,500 deposit spread out over 12 months, each month making a deposit, and we achieve a 25% return. That will show you that at the end of our 20 years, you're going to have $3.377 million. Now on the next page, you're going to say, okay, what if you only get 10%? If you only get 10%, you're not doing it right. Because the S&P 500 is going to give you 15, and at 15, you're going to get $883,000. On the other hand, if you achieve what the internet people did of 28.3, that's going to amount to $4.9 million. Of tax-free money, because it's in a Roth IRA, you get it tax-free and you'll live a very comfortable life. Then we set out a plan as to how to start. You open your Roth IRA, you make automatic contributions, you build your core, you build your enablers, and then on one page, I want you to write down what each one of the stocks that you have, what they do. Put it in a journal. Put it in a journal because this is the journal you're going to use every quarter to track your stocks, to recognize what they're doing, how things have changed, and how you need to rearrange your portfolio. This is all in a 6-page document that I am putting in a link in the description, and then you will also get a 15-minute podcast where Samantha and Bart will explain this to you so that you can go back and refer to it and make sure you participate in this investment opportunity of a lifetime. And you're going to do me a favor. You're going to do me a favor because I'm going to die before you get your $5 million, but I will have made a difference in your life. I will go to my grave thinking and hoping that I made a million multi-millionaires before I died. So do me that favor. Click on the link in the description, get the documents, study them. They're free. They're free. If you want further advice from me, you come join our tribe. It's a like group of people. I would love to have 1,000,000 25-year-olds that I could make multimillionaires come to our Friday Stock Talk. I'm going to be doing it in exactly 1 hour from now. And I'll talk to my community. We'll talk about today's stock market, which was a dumpster storm, but created us opportunities to buy into those stocks that went down at a cheaper price and build our fortune exponentially. This is the investment opportunity of anybody's lifetime. My lifetime, and I'm 81 years old. I don't care. 100 years old, 200 years old. This has never been before us in history. We are going to change this, and I say we, the world is going to change in the next 5 years more than it has in the past 200 years, because all the knowledge in the world about anything you want to learn about is going to be available to you in the next 5 years. And then beyond that, it's going to become general machine learning, where the machine is teaching you to ask the right questions, where the machine is telling you, stand naked in front of a mirror and I'll tell you if you've got any cancer on your body. Poop in the toilet and I'll analyze your poop and tell you if you've got cancer in your body. Prick your finger and I'll tell you if your heart's okay. That's what's coming. That's probably 5 years in the future. But today is when you want to make your first investment. If you're 25, 35, 30, 19, borrow money from your grandfather and get involved in this. If you do, you will thank me the rest of your life, and the rest of your children's life, and the rest of your grandchildren's life, because you will know how to invest in the biggest opportunities that will come in the future that I can't even dream about. Okay, I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor, and I have one objective in my life at this point, and that is to make you filthy rich.